go for Mars entry. Stand by. In 3, 2, 1.
Troop deployment. Arrow shell jettison. Main engines. 103%. 8,000 meters.
This is not science fiction. Within this century, human beings will embark on a journey to Mars.
C-minus 10 meters. Here. 4 down and locked. 4 meters. 3 meters. Contact. Life support telemetry is green.
Today on Earth, the countdown has begun for the 21st century's most heroic but deadliest expedition. The first manned mission to Mars. The journey will take a new class of spaceship, unparalleled ingenuity, and a new breed of astronaut. It is almost certain that people will die in the attempt to fulfill a burning dream, to explore worlds beyond Earth.
It is an amazingly complex undertaking.
It will be a 2.5-year odyssey across hundreds of millions of kilometers of space. One that will take sacrifice, daring, and innovation on a scale never before imagined.
These people are going to be spending an awful lot of time out there without any hope of resupply, without any hope of rescue.
The mission may answer one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Are we alone?
The thought that you could overturn a rock on Mars and see that, maybe, would be pretty exciting.
This is the story of a daring voyage that will change us forever. It is the story of humanity's first steps on another planet. The quest to explore the universe begins on Mars. The future human occupation of Mars is now within our reach. If we are to ever live there, we must make the deadly red planet blue. Plans to make this science fiction fantasy come true have already begun on Earth.
Today I announce a new plan to explore space and extend...
In January 2004, George W. Bush made a bold announcement.
We will then be ready to take the next steps of space exploration. Human missions to Mars and to worlds beyond.
President Bush stood up and said, we're doing this. Guys, I'm using my power, my presidential power, to say we're doing this. And it had a powerful effect on NASA.
It will be the greatest scientific undertaking in history.
You ready?
Engineers all over the world are already at work to get humanity to Mars. It will also be the most deadly expedition ever attempted. No spaceship in existence can make it to Mars, and the voyage home is even more risky. No one has designed a vessel that can escape the red planet's gravitational pull. The round-trip journey will take a year, and as long as another 1.5 years on the red planet's surface. No human being has ever survived that long in space. Cosmic radiation or equipment failure could kill the astronauts on the voyage, or violence after 6 months of stress. If they do make it to Mars, the poisonous atmosphere and cosmic radiation make chances of survival slim. And if anything goes wrong, there will be no rescue mission. Dr. James Garvin is NASA's chief scientist.
Getting people to Mars will be bigger than any single leap in exploration people on this planet have ever taken.
At its closest, Mars is 56 million kilometers away from Earth. traveling to Mars with enough supplies to stay alive will be the greatest engineering feat in history.
Mars is 1,500 to 2,000 times farther than the moon. The amount of stuff you need to go and come back to Mars is heavier than the International Space Station. We have yet to move anything that big.
11,000 liters of water, 20 metric tons of dehydrated and packaged food. In all, 520,000 kilos of supplies. No single